so today I'm going to be making. What am I even saying? Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making Barfi from leftover Mava from ghee, I guess. So guys, I'm going to open the stove on medium heat, and now I'm going to take 3/4 cup of milk. This is warm milk. I'm going to add some cardamom. It's 2 pinches. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of gur. You can fructose. You can also add white sugar, but as we like gur, we will use that. I'm going to add 1 cup. You need to melt the sugar, and it's totally upon you with the type of sugar you want to use. You can use brown sugar, you can use white sugar, you can use any type of sugar. Keep mixing till the sugar melts. So guys, the sugar has melted down completely, and now I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of besan. Mix it. And basically you are adding this besan to and you need to mix it till the aroma comes out and all the rawness of the besan has finished. You need to add, now I'm going to add 1.5 cup of Mava. This is the Mava from the ghee. Like, you need to burn the ghee and the Mava comes out, and it's really healthy for. And yeah, this is ready now, and you are going to close the stove. Take this, and I'm going to keep this in this I'm going to spread it out with this spatula. I hope you can see clearly. And smooth it from the top. And yeah. So guys, you need to spread it out in a dish or anything, and you have to put cuts when it has cooled down a little bit, and you can cut it in any shape. And yeah, and now I'm going to let it set for 1 day. It looks pretty yummy.